today we are going to talk about the greatest mysteries of the universe, galaxies and black holes. Are you ready, Gökay?
I'm ready, but this time I won't just be asking questions. I'll explain some of them too.
Right then, let's begin. So Gökay, what happens if galaxies collide?
Most people think stars crash into each other, but that almost never happens. The space between stars is so huge that direct collisions are rare.
So massive galaxies crash into each other, but stars don't really touch, right?
Exactly. The galaxies change, shape, merge, and even the black holes at their centers combine into something even bigger. Dad, are there any black holes near us? Why haven't they swallowed us?
Of course, at the center of the Milky Way there's a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It has the mass of 4 million suns, but we are 25,000 light years away.
So there's nothing to worry about. From a distance, black holes pull like normal stars. They only swallow things if you get too close.
Okay, Gökay, what happens if we fall into a black hole?
Physicists still don't know for sure. At the singularity, matter is crushed into infinite density. Some theories say it could open a doorway to another universe. But one thing we do know: time and space don't work the way we know them inside a black hole. Dad, do you know how black holes are formed?
Why don't you tell me?
Very massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own weight. During this collapse, a huge explosion happens called a supernova. What's left behind becomes so dense it turns into a black hole.
Amazing, you explained it almost like an astrophysicist. When we look at the sky with a telescope, what are we really seeing, Gökay?
We are seeing the past, because it takes time for light to reach us. For example, sunlight takes 8 minutes to get here, so we always see the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. For very distant galaxies, we are seeing millions of years into the past.
So basically, a telescope is like looking back in time.
Exactly. Dad, did you know stars also have lifespans?
Yes, but go ahead and explain.
Stars burn hydrogen through fission. When the fuel runs out, their fate depends on their size. Small stars become white dwarfs. Massive ones explode as supernovas, and some collapse into the black holes.
So which color stars are strongest, Gökay?
Blue stars are the hottest and biggest, but they burn out quickly. Red dwarfs are tiny, but they can live for trillions of years. Our sun is a yellow star. Medium size, medium lifespan. Perfect for us. Dad, do you know how the first stars formed?
Why don't you tell me?
After the Big Bang, the universe was full of gas. Gravity pulled clouds of gas together, and the first stars were born. When they exploded, heavy elements were created. Those elements formed planets. So really, we are made of stardust.
That's absolutely right, son. We are really made of a stardust. Black holes, stars, galaxies, all of them are the universe's greatest mysteries.
And we are just a tiny part of those mysteries.
Maybe one day we will truly see inside a black hole.
Until then, we will keep asking questions. Because the best part of the universe, the mysteries never end.